Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Intex 15-foot by 48-inch easy set kit with ladder, cover, filter pump, and 6 filter cartridges. Get everything you need in one package with this easy set pool complete kit. This convenient set includes everything you need for a great pool experience, including the Intex 1000 GPH filter pump, 48-inch ladder, debris cover, ground cloth, and a 6-pack of filters. You could be ready for cool water in as little as 15 minutes. Product benefits. The pool is constructed with puncture-resistant 3-ply material. Pool ladder, ground cloth, debris cover, and Krystal Clear filter pump. Includes 6 type A replacement filter cartridges. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.